going on, everybody? Elite Motorsports here. Just got in this 2016 Softail Deluxe. Stick around at the end of the video for a startup. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Very clean bike. Harley. Chrome front axle nut covers. Skeleton speakers. Highway pegs. Driver floorboards. Brake pedal. Chrome engine kit. A lot of chrome. Vance&Hines exhaust, LED turn signals, all that chrome on the engine. This bike only has 15,202 miles on it. Upgraded chrome bars, Daymaker style headlight and passing light. Very clean. Go ahead and get a start up. Give us a call at 1-866-427-5398. Thank you.